In today's video, I am going to teach you layout design, how to use grids in Figma. Grids are the backbone of clean, consistent layouts, helping you align elements, balance spacing, and design faster with confidence. Start by opening your design. Grids in Figma are applied to frames, so select the frame you want to work on. With the frame selected, look to the right sidebar for the Layout Grid section. Then click the plus icon to add a guide. If you don't see the option, double-check that a frame, not a group or a shape, is selected. Next, choose the grid type. Click the small grid icon next to your new guide to switch between three options. Uniform grid lays down a square mesh, perfect for pixel-precise work like icons or tiny UI controls. Columns create vertical guides. They're the standard for web and app layouts, such as a 12-column desktop grid that keeps content aligned and responsive. Rows add horizontal guides, which are great for establishing a baseline grid and a steady vertical rhythm for text and components. Now, customize the grid so it fits your layout. Adjust count to set how many columns or rows you want. Set gutter to control the space between each column or row. This spacing is what creates comfortable breathing room between elements. Use margin to define the space between your grid and the edge of the frame, keeping important content away from the edges. Finally, choose the type. Stretch makes columns expand and contract with the frame size, giving you a responsive grid that adapts as you resize. Center, left, or right. Create fixed width columns that stay locked in place, which is useful when your design has a set content width or needs to align with a particular edge. When you are designing for multiple devices, keep your column counts consistent with common practice. Desktop uses 12 columns. Tablet uses 8 columns and mobile uses 4 columns. These counts create predictable breakpoints and make alignment decisions straightforward across screen sizes. As you work, remember that you can tweak count, gutter, margin, and type at any time to fine-tune spacing, improve readability, and keep your layout cohesive without redrawing anything. If spacing feels too tight or too loose, start by refining the gutter before moving individual layers. That's it. Thanks for watching.